When I think back to my first year in trading, it's even a little funny, guys. I started trading without a system, often made random stops, closed positions and emotions. And then it seemed that the more deals, the more chances to earn. Now I understand that it was a way through mistakes, and they helped me to learn. Today I'm going to have a trade session where I'll apply the simple logic that I've learned all this time. Less movement, but more attention to the details. It will not be a perfect trade, of course, but it will be fair. And maybe that format will help someone avoid the mistakes I once made. Now I'll show you my account settings, you just can repeat after me. Type of graphic I use candles, the time frame will be 1 minute. And now I will open the indicator section and choose awesome oscillator, parabolic SAR and RSI. The big plus of this strategy is that I believe that you can use standard settings of the indicators. They do not need to be changed. They are absolutely suitable for data settings. And now I will start to open trades, and I'm sure that I will prove to you the effectiveness of this strategy. Every day the market opens up new opportunities, and on my Telegram channel I share what I see. An overview of price movements, key areas and valuable thoughts. So if you're interested, just go to the link in the description, follow and write to me personally, and I will tell you how to use all the materials. Let's take the situation to work and open the first trade. The trading time will be 1 minute, start with $75, and my forecast the price will go down, so I press the red button to open the trade. And now let's look at the situation in more detail. So look, the parabolic SAR indicator gave a signal, above the price chart appeared several points of the indicator, so the price decline began. The first signal is here, now let's check the other indicators. The chart of the awesome oscillator indicator began to decline and several red bars of the indicator closed. The price continues to fall, so now let's check the third indicator if it gave us a signal. The RSI indicator line was above level 50, but the price goes down and the indicator line crosses level 50, so now it is built below it. All three indicators gave a signal that the price is falling, so the market indeed started a downward trend. As you can see, everything is simple enough. The indicators give a signal that does not require complex analysis, and you simply open a trade and that's it. So a bit later I will also tell you about important working rules. Watch the video to the end. Boom, guys! The first profitable trade, and that increases my capital to $144. Really great result for the beginning. I will not waste my time, there are a few more trades ahead. Interesting chart, let's try to make profit in here. Raise the amount of the trade to $144, open a trade for price reduction. As you can see, the situation is similar to the previous one. Above the chart appeared several points of the parabolic SAR indicator, the price began to fall. The awesome oscillator indicator confirms the main signal, the graph of the indicator began to decrease, several red bars closed. The RSI indicator line is already below 50, which also confirms the reliability of the situation. And guys, when working with the strategy, it's important to all three indicators give a signal. The RSI indicator line must necessarily cross level 50. If it crosses it from the bottom up, then the price will increase. From top to bottom, the price will go down. With the awesome oscillator, it's even easier, guys. Once the bars of the indicator have changed the color, there was a change in trend. So if you stick to these rules, most of your trades will be profitable. So for now, let's just see the situation through. And boom again! 2 profitable trades increased their account balance to $250. But there are still a couple of trades ahead. What do you think? What will be the final results of the session? The amount of the trade is already $250. In my forecast, the price will increase. So I press the green button to open a trade. I think you already see everything, guys. The indicators gave a signal, the price began to rise, and I think it's a reliable situation and I can't get a profit. I'll give you advice that I personally use regularly. You do not have to try to make up for the loss. It's really better to take a break from the work, rest, and continue working with new strength. No need to work on emotions, because really, such trades often bring even greater losses. And strike! Another profitable trade. Really great. As you can see, my capital has increased to $480. But for now, I will find another situation and open the last trade. I have no doubt in the profitability of this situation. It has already formed, all indicators gave a signal and the price began to decline. I'm sure that you will also like this strategy and use it often in your work. I tried to tell you in detail and show you what situations are suitable for working here. So next, it's up to you guys. Open trades, learn strategy, it's a useful experience. And great friends, my capital reached $922. It's just an amazing result. Finished the session and the result is just excellent. But you know what is the most valuable thing? Even when the market tried to confuse, the strategy remained correct. It's really important to understand trading is not about every deal in plus. This is about always being ahead in the distance, and today we proved it. If you're ready for real growth, just start with simple steps. Review this video and write down 3 main rules that I used, and these rules will be your foundation. And write in the comments below what you learned from today's session.